This is the big Z, man. Vette, man. I got Vette back. Y'all see she got a new tattoo. Won't be on that for long, but so basically, y'all know the backstory on my car. I was hearing noises, so I decided to take it to LMR. Weighing all my options, man. I had a couple people on my list that I wanted to, let build a car. But I decided to go with LMR, man, just to be safe. They do 1,000 of these cars a year, man. So I was more concerned with them putting it back and me being comfortable with the car. And I plan on keeping the car, so I wanted to make sure I had I wanted to be fully confident. So basically, I got the 800 package, but mine is a little custom. We did a little bit more things to it because I had to. And so that's all I'm gonna let y'all know is I got the 800 package from LMR. Got the big gup, the Rotofab big gup, and that motherfucker work. They love that air, boy, for sure. I ain't even put no lid on this car, man. I ain't even really, this is a small build. It ain't nothing crazy. So that's it, man. My 800 horsepower package from LMR. We do got some big meats on the back. That's with the valve open. Y'all can see all y'all need to see right here, man. There ain't nothing but a cold air intake, man. That's it. It's big though, but it's in there. That's all I got. And a little spark plug mist. A little misfire, man. That's all. All you slow-ass Mustangs, stay the fuck out my way, on God. They pretty cool. I don't want to get on their bad side. I ain't been over here long enough for that. It's a beautiful day though, man. It's crazy. Y'all see I got a t-shirt on, window down a little bit. 70 degrees on Christmas Eve, man. Mississippi. I ain't really gave y'all no content since I got the car back. And I gotta let y'all know what's next. I gotta let y'all know what we doing with the S10. And I gotta let y'all know what we doing with the box. Been down with me for a while. I appreciate y'all. Alright, I'm coming to the end of my neighborhood. I think we can open this baby up. Let her breathe. You know what I'm saying? Let her breathe. We about to let her breathe, boys. package y'all got that's fast as you know what I'm saying? It's like, well, you got a couple options. I said, give me the one where I can just get in and go. I don't want no track car. I don't want no, you know, no trailer queen. I want to drive my car, man. Give me the fastest package, but I can still drive it. They said, I know just what to do. And they did it. Them folks deliver, man. When I say this bit fast, I'm talking about, if you ain't got no big blow on your car, don't come fucking with me. If you ain't got no big nitrous on your car, don't come fucking with me. I can't wait to spank one of you niggas' ass.